Welcome to this video on Python tuples, where we'll explain these immutable ordered collections and provide a complete guide on how to use them effectively. A tuple is an ordered collection of items in Python. They are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed after creation. Tuples are written using parentheses and can store any data type, allowing duplicates while preserving insertion order. Tuples are beneficial because they offer fixed data protection against accidental changes and are generally faster than lists. They can also be used as dictionary keys, which lists cannot. Tuples are ideal for returning multiple values from a function or for representing fixed records. Creating a tuple is simple. Enclose your items inside parentheses. Here we define tuples for coordinates, an RGB color, and a person's information, demonstrating how different data types can be stored. The output shows the three tuples printed, confirming their structure and content as defined by the basic syntax. There are several ways to create tuples. You can create an empty tuple, a single item tuple, remembering the required comma, or a multi-item tuple. Python also supports tuple packing without parentheses, and you can convert other iterables like lists using the tuple constructor. The output illustrates the different tuple creation methods, including the single item tuple with a comma, the unpack tuple, and the tuple created from a list. You can access tuple items using indexing, which starts at 0. Negative indexing accesses elements from the end, and slicing allows you to extract a range of items. Here we access the first, third, and last items, and a slice of the tuple. The output confirms the items retrieved through indexing and the slice taken from the original tuple. A key characteristic of tuples is immutability. You cannot change individual items after creation, which would result in a type error. However, you can reassign the entire tuple or convert it to a list, modify it, and convert it back to a tuple. The output demonstrates the reassignment of the tuple, followed by the result of converting it to a list, modifying the first element, and converting it back. Tuple unpacking is a powerful feature that lets you assign elements of a tuple to multiple variables simultaneously. It is also commonly used for swapping variable values efficiently without needing a temporary variable. This output confirms the successful unpacking of the "employee" tuple into individual variables and the successful swapping of "first" and "second" variables using tuple unpacking. Tuples are practical for functions that need to return multiple values. Python automatically returns them as a tuple, which can then be easily unpacked by the calling code to retrieve the individual results. The output shows the lowest and highest scores successfully returned and unpacked from the get_min_max function. Tuples have only two built-in methods, count, to find how many times a value appears, and index, to find the position of the first occurrence. The len, function, a built-in function that works on tuples, provides the total number of items. Running the code reveals that there are 3 A grades. The first B is at position 1, and the total number of grades is 6. Avoid common mistakes like forgetting the comma in single-item tuples or attempting to modify a tuple, which causes a type error. Ensure variable count matches the tuple length when unpacking, and use tuple for fixed data, not just for small performance gains. The core difference is immutability. Use a tuple for data that shouldn't change, like coordinates, and a list for data that needs modification. Tuples use parentheses, lists use square brackets, and tuples can be dictionary keys. As key takeaways, remember tuples are ordered and immutable, created with parentheses, and accessed via indexing and slicing. They are ideal for fixed records and safety, while lists offer flexibility.